So it's kind of the same as last time. We're still doing the same thing. We're lowering our elevation. We're hitting the leg. Okay? Our head's on the outside. This is called the high crotch. But this time, we're going to bring the leg out and we're going to double. But we got to use our head. When you drive to this double, you got to use your head. And you're hitting an angle. You can't. When you're shooting a double leg in wrestling, the object, you can't take a guy down and run straight backwards. He's going to be good and he's going to go like this. Wrestling is all angles. And that's why when we shoot our shots, we hit that angle like that. We're going at the angle. Guys, that's how you take them off their feet. So when we get to our high crotch, elevation change, high crotch, we're going to hit the angle and we're going to keep that just like before. The high crotch to the double leg. Same thing, lower elevation and step. As soon as we step, we can fake the dump if we want, but we're going to still take this leg to the outside and we're driving at this angle. Head, make sure your guys' head, you're using your head, got to use your head, that's important. And then we're tapping right here behind the leg. This is a double leg. Make sure you finish up in side guard. Make sure when you hit the double leg, keep passing that leg so you end up in side guard. So one more time. Right here, see this? This is what gives you the side guard. Keep that all the way to the mat. This is our